Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all friends are good condition. Take care. Well, today I have Sony. Let's start what issues coming in this. I put it on. See, it's on now. So we'll put it on. Once it's on, so again we need to on this one. This is the design by the Sony. So let's check what's coming. Showing this. See, protect push power. This is the problem. So the model number of this one is the model number. Okay guys, so power is coming, protect one. So we'll check how to solve this one. So guys, we'll now open this one. I have already removed the screws to not to waste more time. Okay guys, so the cover is very tight of this set, so we'll remove it out. So anyhow, I have removed the screws over here, so we'll just remove these connectors and we'll do what we can do in this. I have removed out already this one, so we'll remove the mother power and board. Okay guys, so we'll remove this out to remove the transistor over here. Small transistors are there. So I have taken out the power amp board of this set, so I removed it completely. So now what we will do, we'll remove each transistors over here. See, you can see one is here, one is here, and one is here. So we'll remove out these three transistors. These are the all 6 pins transistors, so we'll remove it out and we'll check. So now we'll remove these 3 transistors with the blower. See, one I have removed. Two. Three. So now we'll put it back this one to check it. We have to remove out 3 transistors first. See here. Okay, so we'll put it back this one and we'll check it out. What's the status of this set? I put it back this one. I have connected back this one. So we'll check it out now. What the reading will come on the display. So let's check now. So hardly it will take few seconds to load up to reboot this Sony. They have designed such a way it will take time, so we'll put it on now. So we'll check now what is the issue. So if it is showing again, so we have to do something else. So guys, see, it's ready. It's working. So see, its push power button is gone. Push power protect is gone. See, function, audio, USB, FM, HDMI, to TV. See, it's working. Bluetooth, volume also working. So like this. So it's working. So after removing the 3 transistors over here, as I shown you the back side, so that you just remove 3 transistors. So will get. Okay, okay guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I upload new video, immediately it will go to your notification, and like it, share it. Thank you very much guys. Take care. Bye.